Laba diena! In this video we're gonna weld some steel. A friend of mine from the workshop next door came to me and asked me if I could weld him 10 table legs, like this one. I already test welded the first piece, and all I can say, wood shop is not a good place to weld and grind. I have this area separated by two brick walls, which I was using as my storage, but I can easily turn it into my welding room. As you can see, I managed to set the welding station to take all the flammable stuff, and I realized I have a ton of epoxy projects in the future. But now I guess I should go back there and cut some steel. So my welding project is finished. These are prepped and ready to go to be powder coated. I'm not a professional fabricator. I'm starting in this field, but I would like to give you my insights. So first of all, don't be lazy and prepare your parts correctly. Chamfer the edges that needs to be welded, clean your piece. That will save a lot of time and frustration. Trust me. For example, it happened for this one. I thought that it will be just a simple butt joint. I will weld it over, grind it off, and this will work just fine. But it didn't. Because it didn't have any chamfer, it didn't have a place where the weld could go. And after grinding, it got loose and it didn't work. Second thing, if you are working with metal tubing, like I did, these usually come with the original manufacturer's weld on one of the sides, and try to think through your project and arrange those in the least visible side. For example, like I did in this shelf unit, I put it on the side where the shelf's gonna go and the panels will cover it. I also arranged all those welds at one side when I was welding these table legs, so you don't have that ununiform look. Third thing is, don't fall into beginner's mindset that you can put a bigger bead and grind it off. Of course you can do that, but it takes a lot of time and effort, and when I did just clean welds, I was so pleased with the result, and the grinding quality was better than grinding that one fat weld. Fourth thing I would like to mention is, don't put welds in the places they are not needed. For example, I didn't put any weld in these corners because it's plenty strong with the weld from two sides. You will have less grinding, and you will come up with a cleaner looking piece. And the fifth thing I would like to mention is the obvious one. When you start welding, tack everything. Don't put the beads before you check your squareness and your geometry. Tack weld everything. When you're satisfied, then you can start putting your fat, ugly beads. Unless you are a professional. In that case, this video is not relevant for you. Anyhow, thank you for sticking with me.